Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview, along with additional resources, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using H&R Block tax software. H&R Block, a recognized leader in tax preparation, offers robust and adaptable software perfect for various users. Whether you're an individual, a self-employed professional, or a small business owner seeking an efficient and precise method for filing taxes, H&R Block has you covered. Designed with a broad audience in mind, this software seamlessly blends user-friendliness, comprehensive guidance, and readily available expert support, making it a top contender in the tax software market. H&R Block provides a range of software plans, from a free version ideal for simple tax returns to premium packages designed for more complex financial scenarios. These premium options cater to users with investments, rental properties, self-employment income, and other intricate tax situations. The software's intuitive interface and step-by-step instructions guide users through each stage of the filing process, ensuring all applicable deductions and credits are maximized. Supporting all major tax forms, including W-2s, 1099s, and Schedule C, H&R Block accommodates diverse tax needs. A key feature of H&R Block software is its online assist function. This invaluable tool connects users with certified tax experts for real-time support and personalized advice, offering reassurance and clarity during the filing process. Furthermore, the software streamlines data entry with its seamless import feature. Users can upload prior tax returns and documents, such as W-2s, directly from their employer, saving valuable time and minimizing potential errors. Security is a paramount concern, and H&R Block addresses this with robust encryption to safeguard sensitive user data. A convenient refund tracker monitors your IRS status post-filing, keeping you informed every step of the way. H&R Block also provides an audit support guarantee, offering step-by-step guidance should the IRS contact you. For added peace of mind, an optional Tax Pro review service is available, allowing a professional to review your return before submission. In summary, H&R Block's tax software presents a versatile and dependable solution for anyone seeking an efficient way to manage their taxes. Whether your tax situation is straightforward or more involved, H&R Block offers a plan to suit your needs. Explore the various H&R Block plans by clicking the links in the description and find the perfect fit for your financial situation.